Hey everyone, welcome to AssetWisp. I'm genuinely excited to walk you through this platform because honestly, we built this to solve problems that have frustrated us, and probably you too, for way too long. Think about it. How many apps do you have on your phone right now for investing? One for stocks, another for crypto, maybe a third one for tracking real estate, a news app to stay updated, and you're still Googling, is this a good buy? It's exhausting. Here's what we're solving. One platform: stocks, crypto, commodities, and real estate. All powered by AI that actually explains things in plain English, not just throws numbers at you. Stick with me for the next 15 minutes. I promise you'll see why many of investors are switching to AssetWisp. And hey, you can try everything I'm about to show you free for 14 days, or use our free tier forever. Let's dive in. Alright, so you've just downloaded AssetWisp from the App Store or Google Play. First thing you'll notice, clean, intuitive interface. We're not trying to overwhelm you with 50 buttons and charts you don't understand. At the bottom, you've got your main navigation: Home, Watchlist, Alerts, Portfolio, and News. Everything you need is right here. No digging through menus, no confusion about where to find things. The home screen? This is your command center. At a glance, you see your portfolio summary, trending stocks, market movers, and personalized insights based on what you're actually watching and holding. It's like having a financial analyst checking in with you every morning. Now, most apps just dump data on you and say, figure it out. We don't do that. Every number, every score, every recommendation comes with an explanation, because understanding why matters just as much as knowing what. Let's talk about the feature that changes everything: the AI overall score. You know that feeling when you're looking at a stock and there's like 100 different indicators? PE ratio, RSI, moving averages, volume, news headlines, and you're thinking, I have no idea if this is good or not. We've all been there. Here's what we did. Our AI analyzes technical patterns, fundamental metrics, news sentiment, market conditions, everything, and gives you one number out of 100. See this? Microsoft showing an AI score of 64%. What does that mean? That's a hold signal, not screaming buy, not screaming sell, but telling you this might be worth watching or holding if you already own it. But it doesn't stop there. Look at how we break this down for you: fundamental score, technical score, sentiment score, and risk score. Each one analyzed separately so you can see exactly what's driving that overall 64%. Maybe the fundamentals are weak at 52%, but the technical momentum is strong at 75%. That context matters, and we show you all of it. Now tap on the AI score analysis button. This is where it gets really powerful. You get a complete breakdown with 5 key sections: executive summary, quick snapshot of what's happening with this stock right now, component analysis, deep dive into how each score, fundamental, technical, sentiment, risk, is contributing to the overall picture. Market dynamics, what's moving the stock, sector trends, market conditions, recent catalysts. Investment perspective, short-term versus long-term outlook, what kind of investor this might suit. Key considerations, risks to watch, catalysts to monitor, what could change the thesis. That's not just a number, that's actionable intelligence. In plain English, you're not guessing anymore, you're informed. Next, fundamental analysis. This is the business side of things: revenue, profit margins, debt levels, cash flow, competitive position, all the stuff that tells you if a company is actually healthy and worth its current valuation. Traditional apps either don't show this, or they show you raw numbers in a table and expect you to know what debt-to-equity ratio of 1.8 means. Not helpful. We do it differently. Look at Microsoft's fundamental score, 52 out of 100. That's not bad. Why? Reflecting a high valuation, expanding profit margins, low debt relative to cash position, strong competitive moat in cloud services, solid return on equity. Business fundamentals are excellent. Now you understand. You're not just seeing PE ratio 32, you're getting context. Is that good for this industry? For this company? The AI tells you. And again, this is not financial advice. These are analytical tools. You still need to do your own research and make decisions based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. We're here to inform your decisions, not make them for you. And if you want to go even deeper, we've got a separate detailed analysis for technicals. Tap the tab and you get dedicated deep dives into each. Plus, there's a research analysis section. This is like having a full research report on the stock. Company overview, competitive position, financial health, growth drivers, risks, everything you'd find in a professional analyst report, generated by AI, right in the app. The AI tells you what it means in context. That's the difference. Here's a problem every investor faces: news overload. You've got Bloomberg, CNBC, Reuters, Twitter, Reddit, and financial blogs. There are literally thousands of articles published every single day about stocks and markets. You can't read it all. Nobody can. And here's the worst part. Headlines are often misleading. One analyst says, strong buy, another says, sell immediately, and you're left confused. This is where our news sentiment analysis becomes incredibly valuable. Our AI scans hundreds of news sources, professional outlets, analyst reports, social sentiment, and does two things. 1. Aggregates all the news for any stock, crypto, or asset you're watching. 2. Gives each article a sentiment score. Green means positive news, red means negative, yellow is neutral or mixed. But here's the key. It's not about one article. It's the overall sentiment. Look at Tesla. Today, there are 23 articles. 14 positive, 6 negative, 3 neutral. The aggregate sentiment? 80% positive, cautiously bullish. That's the power of seeing the full picture, not just one headline. Let's talk about watchlists, because tracking stocks or crypto shouldn't be complicated. In other apps, you add stocks to a watch list and that's it, just a list. You still have to manually check each one, read the news, and analyze the charts. It's basically a bookmark. Not here. When you add a stock to your AssetWisp watch list, magic happens. 1. You get custom news filtered specifically for that stock. 2. You automatically get AI score updates. 3. You can set custom alerts, price targets, percentage moves, trend changes, earnings dates, all tied to your watch list. 4. Your home screen prioritizes watch list updates, so you see what matters to you first. It's not just a list. It's your personalized tracking system that actively keeps you informed on what you care about. Okay, this one is huge. Custom alerts. Here's the pain point. You can't watch the market 24/7. You've got a job, a life, things to do. But you also don't want to miss important moves on stocks or crypto you own or are watching. Most apps give you basic price alerts. Tell me when Apple hits $180. That's it. Limited. We give you 6 types of alerts. 1. Price alerts. Hit a specific price target. 2. Percentage change alerts. Moved up or down X% in a day. 3. Trend change alerts. Technical trend just shifted. Bullish to bearish or vice versa. 4. Overbought or oversold alerts. 5. EMA crossover alerts. Finally, and most importantly, smart trade setup alerts. A new high probability trade setup with clear buy, sell, and take profit setups. You customize what you want to be notified about. And these aren't annoying spam notifications. These are actionable, timely signals that help you make informed decisions at the right moment. Set it once and let the app work for you in the background. That's automation done right. Now, if you're into active trading, or you want to be, this feature is going to blow your mind. Smart trade setups. This is about holding positions for a few days to a few weeks to capture price moves. Not day trading, not long-term investing. It's that sweet spot in the middle. The problem? Finding good setups takes time. You've got to scan charts, identify patterns, calculate entry and exit points, set stop losses, assess risk to reward ratios. Most people spend 1 to 2 hours doing this manually, or they just guess and hope. We automate the entire process. Go to the Smart Setups tab. The AI has already scanned the entire market and found high probability setups for you. Check out this current open trade. Tesla, entry at 310. You can see everything right here. Take profit levels, stop loss levels, and look at this. Current ROI if you entered at 310, 45%. That's a complete trade plan. Entry, exits, stop loss, all calculated and tracked for you in real time. Here's the smart part. You can set alerts to get notified when the AI enters a new trade. You don't have to watch the market all day. When a setup triggers, you get notified, review it, and decide if you want to follow it. And if you take the trade, the app sends automatic alerts for your take profit levels and stop loss. The whole thing runs on autopilot. Once the AI closes a trade, it automatically moves to the Close Trades tab. And here's the beautiful part. All trades are documented with year-to-date metrics. You can see exactly how the AI has performed this year. Full transparency. Every entry, every exit, every result. Now, important disclaimer. These are trade ideas, not instructions or financial advice. Trading involves risk, and you can lose money. Always do your own research and trade only what you can afford to lose. These setups provide a structured plan, clear risk management, and AI-driven analysis to give you an edge. Now let's talk about portfolio management, because tracking what you own should actually give you insights, not just numbers. Most brokerage apps show your holdings and their value. That's it. No analysis, no suggestions, just here's what you have, good luck. AssetWisp goes deeper. Add your holdings, stocks, crypto, whatever you own. Enter them manually, or in the future, will auto-sync with your brokerage. Once your portfolio is in, here's what you get. Visual breakdown, pie charts showing allocation by asset, sector, and risk level. See instantly if you're overexposed to tech or too heavy in high-risk positions. AI Portfolio Review. The AI analyzes your entire portfolio and gives actionable insights. Your portfolio is heavily weighted toward technology, 62%. Consider diversification into defensive sectors. 3 holdings have weak fundamental scores. Review those positions. Overall risk, moderate high. That's not just data, that's guidance on how to improve. Performance tracking. See your gains, losses, which positions are winning, which are dragging you down, all in one place. This isn't just tracking, it's active portfolio intelligence. Here's something no other investment app offers: real estate intelligence. Most people think stocks and crypto when they think investing, but real estate? That's where serious wealth is built. Problem is, real estate data is scattered, expensive, and confusing. Not anymore. In AssetWisp, type any US zip code and instantly see key investor metrics: appreciation rates, AI success rate, median home value, rental yield, investor indicators, and AI investment predictions. These are high-level metrics for quick evaluation, perfect for scanning opportunities fast. But when you want the full picture, generate a complete PDF report with over 200 plus data points for that zip code. Price trends, demographics, employment growth, all visually displayed and organized specifically for investors. This is data that used to cost thousands per year from specialized real estate platforms. Now it's included in your AssetWisp subscription. If you've made it this far, thank you. Seriously. I know 15 minutes is a lot in today's world, and I genuinely appreciate you sticking with me. So here's the quick recap. AssetWisp is one platform for stocks, crypto, commodities, and real estate. AI-powered analysis that explains everything in plain English. Smart alerts, trade setups, portfolio intelligence, all designed to make you a more informed investor. Now here's how to get started. Option 1. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search AssetWisp, download it, and start your 14-day free trial of Pro. Option 2. Visit AssetWisp.com to learn more and sign up directly. Option 3. Prefer to start slow? Use our free tier forever, no strings attached. You get core features, and you can upgrade anytime if you want the full experience. That's it. 3 ways to start. Pick whichever works for you. Thanks again for watching.